KIS was founded in 1998, and currently we have 670 students. The school's mission is to be an innovative and caring community that provides all of our students with the knowledge, inspiration, and spirit to be proud of themselves and their place in the world.
So when we were casting about for a wide format printer, we looked at all the different manufacturers. We found that the HP DesignJet Z5600 was the best combination of affordability, capability, and ease of use.
The marketing collateral that we produce contains thousands and thousands of our prospectuses. The fact that we have the printer here, we're able to make informed decisions immediately about what is good and what will not work. We can print out something, we make some edits, and then we're able to print it again within 1 hour.
One of the things that we do here in the IB program is we do a personal project in grade 10. The DesignJet Z5600 really opens up the ability for students to conceive of projects and then output them. When the students are able to see their work output in large format, it is an amazing thing to watch. Their eyes light up, they smile, they're so proud of what they have in their hands.
I like design because you can transfer it to a lot of aspects of our real life.
By printing our products out, it actually becomes tangible.
Once we had the HP printer, the Z5600, available to us in the lab, teachers in our school have become aware that they're now able to output teaching and learning materials and display materials, and that it's actually affordable and quick. And so we have really quick response time for teachers and students who want to output their work.